On this and the next slide, I'm going to talk about spot colors. Spot colors is a topic that only print graphic artists need to know about, so you can skip this slide and the next if you only do web design. Spot colors are used for commercial print jobs only, where a custom spot color ink can be applied to a printing plate. In other words, you don't have to simulate the color using the 4 CMYK colors. Don't use spot colors unless you have to, since it makes graphics production significantly more complicated. You need to alert your print shop in advance that this is a spot color job, not a standard 4-color CMYK job. They need to be prepared for it. They may not have the spot color in stock and therefore need to order it in advance. Pantone is the industry leader in spot color. They sell the specific inks that printers use for spot colors. You can see a list of them from the Pantone Spot Color catalog at right. Spot color print jobs are less expensive than 4-color print jobs. Here's a thinking on your feet challenge question. Pause the video and think about the answer to this question. When you have an idea of what the answer is, check it by unpausing the video. Congratulate yourself if you figured it out. The answer is that it's cheaper because the printed item doesn't have to go through the printing press 4 times. That is, 1 for each of the C, M, Y, and K colors. Often a spot color is used if you're printing a newspaper ad and you need only black and 1 highlight color like bright red. The bright red would be a spot color, in addition to the standard black. That bright red can be simulated using CMYK inks, but using a spot color means that the job only needs to go through the press twice instead of 4 times. This saves cost. Adobe products have extensive spot color handling features. Here is the Channels panel of Photoshop, where you can set up a spot color channel that ensures that color gets a separate printing plate. Use spot colors in the following situations. Where printing a precise color is important, for instance, corporate branding. This could be for a logo or a graphic in an annual report. Or, a spot color can have a unique appearance that cannot be reproduced with normal printing ink, like fluorescent colors or colors with metal particles in it. Use spot colors if you're using 3 or less specific colors in the printed product. Most spot colors can be converted to CMYK if needed, but color accuracy may vary. Here you see a Toyo spot color in the Swatches panel of Photoshop and its CMYK equivalent in the Color panel. Here is a skills challenge for you. Open the graphics program you most commonly use and find where in that program you set spot colors. Play around with it for a while until you're comfortable using it, and then go to the next video.